Thought I'd make a video for anyone that is trying to fix a on-off switch for a Kirby Sentria. First off, I had to drill out the rivets here and this one over here. Did those from the bottom. They drill out a lot easier there. And when I took this off, some of the stuff popped out of it. I got it all out here already, but if you end up with a pile of parts over here like I have on the left, this is how you put them back together. I'll start with this piece here. Zoom back in. This little bent tab here needs to engage in this slot right here. Oh, and the spring, if that pops out on the bottom, that's this one with the tighter winding right here. Just pop that in there. Then you can engage that tab there into the slot. Just push it forward a little bit, lock it down in. The other piece here, zoom back out just a little bit. It's got this other spring here. It's got a little wider gaps in the spring. Pop that in. What you want to do is start the back of the spring there against this tab right there sticking up out of the plastic. And when you come down with it, zoom back in, you want to make sure that the tab on the back, zoom out again, this tab here on the back goes over this copper tab here. Get it a little closer again. And you want to get the black plastic part of this under the black plastic on the first piece I put in there. Just like that. And this other little metal tab here, this goes, zoom out a little so you can see it. The end of it here drops down into this slot, and this covers this part here lengthwise. Once you got that into like that, you can test it by holding the parts down somewhat here. And right now, I think you can see there is a gap between those tabs there and the ones over on this side. So when you push that in, it should lock both of those over so they contact each other. It's a little hard with it cover off. I might just need, a lot of times holding the pressure down on the bend in this copper tab up top helps too. Okay, I ran into a little more trouble getting this switch to actuate correctly. Actually figured out what it was. I'll show you if I can. Zoom in a little here. Oops, a little too much. Right here between these two tabs on the left, the one on the right's up on a step down here. You can almost kind of see it there somewhat, but make sure that one's up on top of that step, and the one on the left of it is down off of the step. Now once you have that correct, you can hold that, and you can see neither of them's making contact right now, but once you push that, they will stay in contact. And push it again, and the contact breaks. And just to show you too, It's, if you check it, continuity of these wires with them connected. I don't know if you can see the meter either. I'm sure you'll be able to hear it, it's not real loud. But yeah, those will always be connected because it's making a circuit through the windings of the motor. So actually where you want to check is over at the two power prongs here. And right now there's nothing since the circuit's open, but if I hit this again, close those contacts, measure, and I have continuity, so actually gets power to the motor. And that's really all there is to it. Just throw the cover back on and it should work for you.